Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. So I was just shocked to see two Nigerian bloggers, right? Nigerian blogger be a friend of Braa Kofi. I don't know if you've heard about him before. He's the only person that keep promoting Ghana from Nigeria. He's a Nigerian that normally promote Ghanaian food and stuff like that. Nebusia, Braa Kofi has a message for Atasa aka the Igbo leader in Ghana. Atasa, you have a missed call from Braa Kofi. And guys, the message was too much sharp and straight. Now the next one, one other Nigerian blogger be on TikTok, and he was saying all the things that need to be said, right? Need to be said about his own people. I mean, he's saying so many things. No, Kanyama baby about Nigeria for near. Ebusia, sometimes we have to take a clue and a cue from these people if they are talking about their own people and the way they talk about it. Very, very important too. I've listened to a lot of people when it comes to these Igbo guys. A lot. And what this Atasa man have displayed over the days after he was disgraced, humiliated in Kumasi, and stopped from celebrating the Yam Festival, and all the antics he has played so far. Ebusia, let me say that this guy, it be somebody where if we know wake up, we know fix things quick. This guy will take Ghana for granted. Ampanampa, because Charlie, you know get shame, you know get shame. All right, now don't let me waste much time. Let's go and listen to Braa Kofi and the other guy, what they were saying about this Atasa guy. Atasa, Atasa. Yonkuti, we'll be right back.
Nigeria Igbo King in Ghana, I have a question for you. Yes, I get a question for you. I traveled out of Ghana for like 2 weeks now. I went for a project, and my fans have been sending me videos of you attending funeral in Kumasi. And that video, you were not given the opportunity to shake hands with the Kumasi King. In fact, you were in a far distance with him, and they made you remove your cap and bow down before him. After that, they led you to a path leading you out of the funeral ground. And I saw videos of others shaking hands with the king. When I asked, they said that you were not invited to that program. Come, I want to ask you, were you not invited to that funeral? If you are not invited to that funeral, you do too much. You do too much. What is carry you go there? We are trying to come out of the one you caused for us a few months ago, which is leading to Nigerian must go. The one where you go buy a plot of land, where they cause trouble. We are trying to come out of that one, and you've gone to do another one. You don't go to do another one. You are attending a program or a funeral that they did not invite you. Come, see, we have genuine Nigerian businessmen. Go to Seko, go to Abasok. I'm even hearing they are locking their shop. Go to Seko, go to Abasok, and we have Nigerian businessmen doing genuine business, feeding themselves and their family. And only you just take it upon yourself that you will be causing problem for all the Nigerian based in Ghana. What's in the shop? Like, what is happening? What is happening? You are attending to a funeral that you are not invited. I want to know. Is it that they invited you or they don't invite you? You go to attend program where they don't invite you. You reach there and go the disgrace. Should I say yes? Because the video is trending. The video is trending and people are watching it and people are talking about it. You go there, go the disgrace. They make you come out your cap. King see king. One king bow. One king bow, and now you bow. You are not a king in this country. Why they do? You even carry your kinsmen. You went there with your kinsmen. They follow you for back. They go. They cause trouble for us. They cause serious trouble for us. Why attending a funeral that we are not invited? Now the matter have started again. Started trending again about you again. We are trying for the first time to calm down. You can't go again. Go cause another one. So you can't let the Nigerians in Ghana to drink water, drop their cup. Now if they drink water, their cup remains in their mouth because their legs know they reach ground again for Ghana. Caused by you. By you. I don't even know your name, Sev. This man. You go to attend to funeral where they don't invite you. I don't know what to say. It's obviously clear now that now you cause this whole problem. You don't clear now you cause this whole problem. I don't know what I want to tell you. I don't know what I want. In fact, carry this camera come off my front.
So they are the first people that look for the trouble of Ghanaians by taking over their businesses. Yes, you have looked for trouble. If you go to Ghana and you mind your business in Ghana, you won't have problem with Ghanaians. You won't have problem with them. But they don't mind their business. We have indigenous business. Indigenous business, you must know it. You don't go and put your hand in their own businesses. You understand? You don't put your hand in their businesses.
Yeah, one of the complaints of Ghana is that they are taking over their businesses.
Yes.
And
yes.
For probably something they are selling for 80, for 70 CDs, Igbos could sell out for 60
yes.
CDs. Probably Igbos knows where they get.
No. Make I tell you something. You see, these particular Igbos, whenever two come up, they can sell without 1 naira. Their life, they don't live expensive life. Oh. That's the truth. They don't eat good food. Even man can have money, but he can't eat 2,000 naira for a meal. You understand me? If a man can has money, he can buy a cloth of 30,000 naira. He will still wear okreka. He's a millionaire. You understand? So when they come bring that their life now to us, the Niger Delta, it becomes a problem. You can't reduce me to that kind of height. And not only that, when they reduce it, sometimes they will not go and redo the product to become fake. And they'll begin to sell fake products. And even that, destroy the name of the company that is producing that thing. You think they are selling cheap, they are not selling cheap. They have a way of making that money outside your knowledge. So they can open it and reduce the quantity. And they can reduce, yes, they can reduce the quality. And they sell cheap. And before you know, you yourself, you have conscience now. Like the business we are doing now. We cannot sell some kind of paint. But you see, an Igbo man can sell, some of them can sell water for person to go and paint vessel. It's not good. And when you paint that vessel, because it's cheap, the next thing your vessel begin to rust. It won't last you for 1 year. That vessel will be destroyed. And it's not good. They'll just go, he says cheap, and cheap. That is why I don't encourage people to go for cheap. It becomes a problem. Most of the time, you want to buy something. Somebody say 150, the other say 120. You went and carry the 120 or even the 100. And you think you have made money. Don't worry. You will lose. The one you use, everything you use, you have lost. Because it's going to give you something that, because one, you don't even know what it's giving you. You don't have idea. And he's not going to tell you. He will give you all the assurance you need to tell you that that is original. And your conscience will be satisfied because of your greed. You think you have made money. You have not made money. You understand? You have not made money. So that is the way they are doing it.
Ebusian, so you heard this one from this Nigerian guy. He's talking about the Igbos. He's saying that what they normally do is that whatever they are bringing to come and sell on the Ghanaian market is a second hand, a fake. Okay, so Ghana for or circle. You want to go to a Nigerian shop to buy, you are buying a fake product. You are buying something that is second hand. Udi bar and check na heading na say Obiba price, not price near higher. You think say the person will cheat you. I think say a normal belief, but listen to what this guy is saying. You know, say yes. This is what they are doing in the market. Please, guys, advise everybody. Share the video to everybody. Let everybody know that all these people that are coming from Nigeria, coming to sell, most of them, the cheap things they are selling is not good. It is cheap and it is not good. So please, do not buy them. Because utwa usikane beshe. You heard it right there from the Nigerian guy who was talking about this Igbo selling. So take the cue and a clue from it, Ebusian. Share the video. Everybody should know. Tom, as we plan to evacuate them from the shops. Remember, uko to adie, uko na Nigeria ni neto. Masa, compare price no. So we na want to mean to don't buy it because at the end of the day no fake na obeto Ebusian. That's ene ebeshia pia eko.